Come test drive the 2011 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: engine immobilizer, fog lights, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, body color bumpers, compact spare tire, daytime running lamps, rear window defroster, Bluetooth, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.